Are you tired of dealing with harsh chemicals to clean your home? Would you like a simple, quick solution for cleaning your floors while effectively eliminating dirt, grime, and germs? Look no further than this Black+Decker Steam Mop. This innovative, user-friendly steam mop is designed to provide a powerful, chemical-free clean, perfect for sealed surfaces like hardwood floors, tile, laminate, and stone. In this review, we'll dive into the key features of the Black+Decker Steam Mop and explore why it's quickly becoming a must-have in homes around the world. Key features and benefits. Chemical-free cleaning. The Black+Decker Steam Mop uses just water and steam to clean your floors, so you don't need to worry about toxic chemicals lingering in your home. This makes it an excellent choice for eco-conscious households, parents, and pet owners looking for a safer way to maintain a clean environment. Kills germs. The high-temperature steam not only removes dirt, but also kills germs, bacteria, and viruses, ensuring your home is not just visually clean, but also sanitized. Instant heat up. One of the standout features of the Black+Decker Steam Mop is how quickly it heats up. With just a 30-second wait, you can be ready to start cleaning, which is perfect for those who want a quick and efficient way to get their home looking spotless without having to wait around. Instant use. Whether you're in a rush or just need a quick touch-up, the fast heat-up time means you won't be wasting precious time waiting for your mop to heat up. It's a time saver in every sense of the word. Works on multiple surfaces. The Black+Decker Steam Mop is perfect for a variety of sealed surfaces, including hardwood floors, tile, laminate, and stone. Whether you have high traffic areas or just need a reliable mop for daily cleaning, this steam mop will handle it all with ease. Tile and grout. If you've ever struggled with dirty grout or sticky messes on your kitchen floor, the Black+Decker Steam Mop is here to help. The powerful steam lifts grime from your tiles and grout, restoring their shine without any extra scrubbing. Pivoting mop head. The pivoting mop head makes it easy to navigate around obstacles like furniture, tight corners, and edges. With its 180-degree swivel, you'll be able to clean areas that are normally difficult to reach with traditional mops, making it ideal for homes with lots of furniture or small spaces. Under furniture cleaning. Thanks to the swivel design, you'll be able to easily clean under tables, chairs, and sofas without moving heavy furniture. This makes your cleaning routine more efficient and thorough, so no area is left untouched. 12-foot cord. The 12-foot power cord ensures that you won't have to keep switching outlets while cleaning larger rooms. This extended length gives you the flexibility to clean an entire floor or room without the constant hassle of plugging and unplugging. Unlimited runtime. Unlike battery-operated mops, the corded design of the Black+Decker Steam Mop offers unlimited runtime, making it perfect for tackling bigger cleaning jobs in your home. Whether you're doing a thorough deep clean or just tidying up, you won't need to worry about running out of battery. Efficient cleaning. The included microfiber pad is durable and efficient at picking up dirt, dust, and debris from your floors. The microfiber construction also ensures that the mop glides easily across surfaces, leaving your floors looking streak-free and spotless. Washable and reusable. The microfiber pad is machine washable, allowing you to reuse it multiple times, which not only saves you money but also reduces waste. Simply toss it in the washing machine, and it's ready to be used again. Why you should choose the Black+Decker Steam Mop. If you're looking for a high-performance steam mop that provides fast, efficient cleaning without the need for harsh chemicals, the Black+Decker Steam Mop is a great choice. It's an affordable and versatile option for anyone who wants a chemical-free solution for cleaning their home. Pros of the Black+Decker Steam Mop. Instant heat up, ready to go in just 30 seconds. Chemical-free cleaning, no need for harmful cleaners. Works on multiple surfaces, ideal for hardwood, tile, laminate, and more. Maneuverable design. Swivel head allows for easy movement around obstacles. Large cleaning area. The 12-foot cord ensures you can clean large areas with ease. Reusable microfiber pad. Washable and environmentally friendly. Kills germs and bacteria. High-temperature steam for sanitization. Cons of the Black+Decker Steam Mop. Not for unsealed floors. Only recommended for sealed surfaces like hardwood, tile, and laminate. Shorter steam duration. Some users may need to refill water for prolonged cleaning sessions, though this is expected with most steam mops. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.